morning, boys and girls. How are we doing today? It's been a while. Just want to say thanks for tuning in, watching. My name's Mike with Blue Phase Plus. Today I got a little video, 4K Ultra HD Action Camera Wi-Fi that I just picked up on Black Friday. Came out to about 50 bucks. It's got a camera, it's got a battery, the SD card, memory card. It's got a little prop. It seems like it's even got a little camera in the front, which is pretty cool. Looks like it has a couple other little attachments in here. So just want to do a little unboxing. So we're going to go ahead and open it up and see what we got. Let's get started. Alright, sorry about the camera view. The reason for me getting this GoPro is because I wanted to make a review on this product here, the Terracell trail camera. I want to go ahead and install that at my property out in the woods. So that's something why I needed this, because I would rather make a video with that using an HD action camera. So let's go ahead and open this up, and then let me get the batteries charged so that way you can get out there and get started. Yeah, the camera views, I don't have no tripod or nothing, so. But yeah, right out of the box, it's got the case, little waterproof case. Yep, just like that, snaps right off. Look at that. Just want to give you an overall look at the camera. Very small. It's actually kind of similar to the one I use in all my videos. So, something new. You know, I'll be able to give you guys a review and let you know how the quality is. And if you watch that video, you'll be able to see the quality of the video. You know, it comes with some basic attachments. Get 2 batteries, which is pretty cool. You get two of these, so you should have plenty of run time. And this here, I believe, is like a float that you could actually just like tie it to, and I think I don't know, comment below if you know what that is, but I think you just tie it to your camera and you can let it float in the water. That's only I can think of. 64 gigabyte memory card. Hopefully the files don't corrupt on it, or else I'll be in trouble. Strap, charging cable. Not sure what that is. I think that's just, okay, that's the actual holds the camera. Oh, that's pretty sweet. I ain't like my other camera. Look at that. Huh. That's pretty cool. My other camera actually has it built right into the base. It has this to where you can just screw it on anything. So this is actually a little different. Oops. Must not have screwed it in all the way. Make sure you screw it in all the way. It's not screwing all the way on that. Maybe it's, yeah. Oh. It's supposed to. Well, oh, there it goes. Alright. Yeah, you got your little tripod, which would have been nice because then I wouldn't have to wedge my camera up against a truck like this. So, but for the most part, I picked it up at Walmart for about 48 bucks. It was a hell of a sale, and I wanted to make a video on that today. So I needed a camera. So, you know, I just want to do a little unboxing video. The 4K Ultra HD Action Camera. It says it's got the dual screens, megapixel 20, shockproof, and waterproof. So, create a vlog, you know, share your memories and moments. So, I plan on using this camera to help make more videos for my audience. I just want to thank my subscribers, the people who are on my channel. I appreciate you guys a lot. I want to definitely start to do more things in the future and you know, help grow the channel a little bit. Who knows what'll happen, but you know, I just like sharing with you guys. I like creating videos and stuff. Something I enjoy doing with my spare time when I'm not at work. But thanks guys, I appreciate you guys tuning in. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for the next one, and take care. God bless.